Class 10. Today I am going to start new topic, quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? It is an equation which has highest power as 2. See this side, ax square plus bx plus c. X is having power here 2, highest power is 2, then x to the power 1, then x to the power 0. Powers are in descending order, but highest power will be 2. From this quadratic equations, how we can calculate the value of x? This is a formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What are a, b and c? Actually these are the coefficients. X square coefficient as a, x coefficient is b, and without x number is c. So see the example here. Question number 1 from exercise 5c. Question number 1. This equation is given. From this equation find out a, b and c. A as a 2 and b as a 1 and c as a minus 3. Put all these values in this formula. After putting these values, at last you will get minus 1 plus minus under root 25. Under root 25 means 5. But here plus and minus. So one time you will take plus and next time you will take minus. So by plus, whatever comes, that is called alpha. Alpha means first root. You can say first answer. And beta. Beta is the second answer. But it will come by minus. Take minus. So it is coming minus 3 by 2. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Two answer, or you can say two roots. Now see the next question. Question number 11. In question number 11, find the value of x, two places of decimal. Calculate a 1 and b 3 and c minus 3. Put in this formula. At last you will get minus 3 plus minus under root 21. So 21 under root, it will not come whole number. So it will come in decimal. Find the root of 21. After 21 put decimal, take 3 pairs of 0. They are saying two places of decimal, you have to take one pair extra. 3 pairs, and 4 fours are 16. So whatever number you will take over here, you have to multiply with same number. 4 fours are, if you will take 5, 5 fives are 25 will be greater than this. So don't take 5 fives are, 4 fours are. 4 will come here, 16 minus 5, take next pair, before next pair put decimal over here. 4 plus 4 becomes 8 and then put 5 here, then multiply by same number 5. 85 fives are 425, you will take 6, then you have to multiply by 6. So it is going to greater than 500, so don't take 6. 5 is proper number. So similarly you have to do further. So what is coming? 4.582. So make it round off two places. So last number is less than 5, so it will remove. If it is equal to 5, then it will give to one value to next number. So it is actually less than 5, so it will remove only. What is your value? 4.58 under root of 21. So 4.58 here. So one time plus alpha will come, and now one time minus. See here, plus minus. So minus. This is beta. So what is the answer? 0.79 alpha, and what is beta? Minus 3.79. These are the two roots. Now see the next exercise. Your next exercise is a 5D. Nature of the root. You have to tell the nature of the root. Nature of the roots means alpha and beta nature. Both the x nature. How would you come to know the nature of the roots? By discriminant part. Which part is called discriminant? Discriminant part is b square minus 4ac. So nature of the roots depend on discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0, then roots will be real and distinct. Distinct means not equal. If discriminant part, this part is greater than 0, suppose it is coming 21 here, in this question, same question. So it is greater than 0. So what are coming answer? Answers are coming different. 0.79 and like this 3.79. So roots will be not equal, distinct, and these are the real. These are the actual number. These are the numbers. So it is called real number. So root will be real and not equal. Now second case, if b square minus 4ac, this discriminant part is equal to 0, then roots will be real and equal. Alpha and beta will come out equal. In which case? If this part is 0. This is second rule. Third rule, if b square minus 4ac is a less than 0, less than 0 means negative number. If this is 21, suppose this part is coming minus 21, negative number, less than 0, then what will be condition? Roots will be not real. So this will not come any proper number because we cannot find out the root of any negative number. That is why we cannot find out proper value of alpha and proper value of beta. So will not be real. Then roots will be not real. Roots will be imaginary. Now see, nature. Find the nature of this quadratic equation. How many properties are for nature? 3 properties. 3 conditions you can say. So A1, B minus 4, C3. Use the discriminant formula. B square minus 4AC. Put the value. D is coming 4. Discriminant is coming 4. Which is greater than 1. Sorry, which is greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, then what is the rule? What is the roots nature? Roots nature will be real and not equal. Roots will be real and distinct, not equal. Find the value of k. Now see the question number 4. This equation is given, and if roots are real given, for this equation nature is already given. This equation nature is roots are real. So when roots are real, so discriminant will be greater than 0. See here, discriminant is greater than, roots are real. And in another case, second case, here also roots are real when discriminant is equal to 0. So both the condition we will take. Discriminant is greater than 0 and discriminant is equal to 0. Roots are real given. So put the value here. B square minus 4AC is greater than and equal to 0. A, B, C are here. C is K. So K will come after solution 1 upon 2. So K is coming less than and equal to 1 upon 2. Now see the question number 7. If one of the root of this equation is given, so one of the root means 1x value is given. That is suppose alpha is minus 5. So put place of, because you know these are the root. Root is actually x. So x is minus 5. Put x is place of x minus 5. So p will come as 7. Now one more equation is given. This equation is given in the form of p. So put the value of p here. But for this equation, condition is given. This equation is having equal roots. When equation is having equal root, so b square discriminant will be equals to 0. See the second condition. So A, B, C. Calculate A 7 and B 7 and C is K. Put in this formula because roots are equal. After putting this value, so what is K will come? So K will come out 7 by 4. So children, this is your exercise 5C and 5D. Next time we are going to take word problem from quadratic equation. Thank you.